Symbolizing unity, humility, and patience, giant onion Allium giganteum is native to Central and Southwestern Asia. It is a member of the Amaryllidaceae family. This hardy perennial grows large purple clusters of tiny florets. It's the largest of the ornamental onions, and although it produces onion-like fragrances, it is not grown for consumption. Winter birds like to feast on the seeds of giant onion. Birds attracted to giant onion include buntings, doves, finches, quails, siskins, sparrows, and towhees. Smaller birds will perch on top of these root plants to eat the seeds directly from the flower. On some occasions, you might witness a hummingbird visiting too. Growing giant onion is sure to bring avian visitors to your garden. Allium species contain organosulfoxides, which give them their distinctive smell and aroma. These compounds are not toxic to humans if ingested in moderation. However, if ingested in large amounts, allium can cause a mild gastrointestinal disturbance. However, all parts of allium are toxic to pets in all forms: raw, cooked, dried, squeezed, powdered, etc. After ingestion, organosulfoxides are metabolized to highly reactive oxidants, which can erode the animal's red blood cells, causing oxidative damage. For dogs and cats, this poisoning causes hematologic issues, most notably hemolytic anemia. Symptoms of poisoning include hemoglobinuria, depression, weakness, jaundice, rapid breathing, increased heart rate, exercise intolerance, cold sensitivity, loss of appetite, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. If you choose to grow giant onion in your lawn or garden, be sure to keep your curious pets away to avoid any accidental consumption.